Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 7 best free website builders for beginners. Number 7. Weebly. Weebly is like the IKEA of website builders, simple, functional, and you can actually put it together without crying. It offers a drag-and-drop interface so intuitive that even someone who's never heard of HTML can launch a website in an afternoon. Its free plan gives you access to a solid range of templates that don't scream 1998. And you can customize them without needing a computer science degree. Hosting is included, and the editor works just as well on desktop as it does on mobile. While it doesn't offer the flashiest animations or design effects, beginners won't miss them, because they'll be too busy enjoying how quickly their site goes live. Features like basic SEO tools, contact forms, and even e-commerce support sneak their way into the free version, which is generous for something that doesn't charge a cent. Weebly doesn't overload you with choices, and that's exactly why it works. It knows who it's for: people who want to get online quickly, stay focused, and avoid spending hours choosing between 300 font combinations. It's reliable, it's clean, and best of all, it won't ghost you halfway through building your homepage. Number 6. Squarespace. Squarespace is what happens when a website builder decides to put on a tuxedo and charm the design world. It's polished, sleek, and clearly spends a lot of time at art galleries. While not entirely free forever, its 14-day trial gives beginners a taste of premium-level design without asking for a credit card handshake. The templates look like they've been curated by a team of minimalist interior designers who drink espresso and whisper about typography. The interface is clean and feels more like editing a magazine layout than wrangling a website. For beginners, it's forgiving, offering real-time previews, intuitive style adjustments, and helpful prompts that nudge you in the right direction without being pushy. It's great for portfolios, personal brands, or anyone who wants their first site to look like they hired someone way more expensive. Sure, there are limits unless you upgrade, but for those who want beauty with training wheels, Squarespace makes that first ride feel like a luxury cruise. Number 5. Doric. Doric is the quiet genius in the room, doesn't make a lot of noise, but gets the job done beautifully. It's perfect for beginners who want simplicity without feeling like they've sacrificed creativity. The builder offers a surprisingly clean interface, loaded with modern, professional-looking templates that don't require a single line of code to make them look good. What really makes Doric shine is how fast you can go from zero to published. Its minimalist layout options, drag-and-drop sections, and auto-responsive design mean you won't be stuck fiddling for hours. Unlike some builders that feel like you need to take a course before touching a button, Doric is refreshingly approachable. Its free plan is generous enough to let beginners build something meaningful without having to sell their favorite hoodie for hosting costs. While it doesn't offer a massive ecosystem of plugins or fancy integrations, it also doesn't bombard you with unnecessary choices. Doric is like the smooth jazz of website builders, calm, stylish, and oddly satisfying to use. Number 4. HostGator. HostGator's website builder feels like someone took the intimidating parts of web design, tossed them in a blender, and poured out something smooth and beginner-approved. It's a lesser-known gem in the builder world, but don't let that fool you. This thing is surprisingly easy to use. With drag-and-drop functionality, mobile-friendly templates, and built-in analytics, it offers more than you'd expect from a platform that's mostly famous for web hosting. Beginners won't feel lost here. The interface is clear, the tools are labeled like they actually want to be understood, and there's a handy AI builder that asks a few questions and builds a decent-looking site in minutes. You get free hosting, SSL, and even a few marketing tools baked into the free tier, making it feel like someone accidentally left the premium features unlocked. It's not trying to reinvent the wheel, but that's what makes it great for someone just getting started. It's steady, simple, and doesn't talk down to you. HostGator's builder is the quiet contender that helps you publish fast, look sharp, and sleep well knowing your site won't fall apart when you press go live. Number 3. WordPress. WordPress is the seasoned pro that somehow still knows how to talk to beginners without sounding smug. With its free COM version, it opens the door for new users to build a site without wading through coding jargon or getting lost in a maze of plugins. The setup process is faster than brewing a cup of coffee, and the dashboard is neatly organized. Even if you're not sure what a widget is, you'll find your way around. It offers themes that are both flexible and decent looking right out of the gate, and you can tweak things without breaking the whole internet. The free plan includes basic customization, blogging tools, and even a bit of analytics, which is enough to make beginners feel like they've joined the grown-up web club. While the deeper waters of WordPress can get a little techy, beginners don't need to dive in right away. They can paddle around in the shallow end with a clean, functional site that looks respectable from day one. Number 2, Wix. Wix is like the extroverted cousin of website builders, flashy, fun, and always ready to show off. It gives beginners an almost ridiculous amount of design freedom with drag-and-drop tools that feel more like playing than working. The template library is massive, covering everything from personal blogs to restaurant menus, and everything looks professionally made, even if you're just throwing shapes around. Its ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, feature builds a custom site for you just by answering a few questions, perfect for anyone who breaks into a sweat at the word layout. The editor is packed with features, yet still user-friendly, letting you animate buttons, add videos, and even toss in booking forms if you're feeling fancy. Wix also includes free hosting, basic SEO, and an app market that feels like a digital toy store. And the best part: you can make a site that looks like you paid someone a fortune, even if you only spent the afternoon in your pajamas. It's not just beginner-friendly, it's beginner-celebrating, offering just enough hand-holding without making you feel like you're wearing training wheels. Whether you're launching a side hustle or just need a sleek digital presence, Wix makes sure your first site doesn't look like your first site. It's fun, forgiving, and surprisingly powerful for something that doesn't charge up front. Number 1, Haku's AI. Haku's AI is like having a tech-savvy intern who actually listens. It takes the fear out of starting from scratch by building your website for you. Just answer a few simple questions, and boom, you've got a site that doesn't look like it was thrown together in 5 minutes, even though it kind of was. It's ridiculously beginner-friendly, skipping the usual template hunting and letting AI do the heavy lifting. The interface is clean, the edits are quick, and you don't need to know what a CSS class is to make changes. For people who want a professional-looking site but have the design instincts of a potato, Haku's is a gift. The free plan offers solid features including image libraries, content suggestions, and layouts that look like you actually hired someone with taste. It's the kind of builder that says, "Relax, I've got this," and actually means it. Haku's doesn't try to overwhelm or impress you with too many knobs and buttons. It just quietly delivers a site that works, looks good, and doesn't stress you out. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.